Okay, so yes, we are doing an Amazon unboxing with outside, yes, out in nature. Let's see what we got. Happy Friday to everyone. Amazon just pulled up, y'all. Amazon just pulled up. Get out my wine. Yes, y'all, I got red wine. This is some Merlot. We're doing Merlot today. Yeah, Amazon just pulled up. So let's see what all we got in here. Okay. So these are my black candles that I'm using. Okay, that's for my altar work. And I have these are the rear view mirror rain eyebrows. Yes, you put these on your rear view mirror and it stops the rain from getting on your mirror. Yes, so I am so excited. So y'all know I'm doing the pink Barbie theme on my car. So here they are. Oh yes, I love them. I am so excited. So of course it's two of them. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm gonna turn it around. So these are the eyebrows. Rain eyebrows for your rear view mirror. Yes. So I have the pink bling bling, and y'all see that bling bling on my pink nails. Don't play with me. Okay. Don't play. So I'm excited about putting these on. So it's not hard to do the application. I'm sure all you have to do is just peel, the strip off and just put it on. So I'll be doing one of those videos. Yeah, and so it is a beautiful day. Tuesday. So I think these are like $15, if that. Mm-hmm. Yes, so y'all stay tuned for my how to apply the rain eyebrows. Okay, y'all stay tuned for that video. Okay. So thank y'all for tuning into this video. Happy Friday. And to all of Israel, we have a double Shabbat coming up. The 6th and the 7th, I'm going to just have sandwiches. Y'all. That's all I'm going to do, so I don't have to worry about doing a bunch of prepping. No. Publix got it done. I'm just going to grab a couple of sandwiches, y'all, for our celebration, and that will be that. So y'all stay tuned for my video on how to apply these rain eyebrows, okay, for your whip by Chic Babes, Luxe Babes, and Fur Babies.